8 o'clock in the morning. Inside the sterile silence of the laboratory, Dr. Eris stands motionless, her eyes fixed on the digital microscope display. Before her, a sample of living skin cells pulses with a sluggish, irregular light, fighting a losing battle against time. She reaches out, tapping the cool glass before entering a precise command. With steady hands, she injects a concentrated NAD+ serum directly into the culture dish. The reaction is instantaneous. The cells shift from a dull, lifeless gray to a vibrant, rhythmic glow. This is no longer just a cream or a simple lotion. This is a biological reset button, a spark of life returning to the foundational structure of the human body. By noon, the clinic doors swing open to the bright midday sun. A patient named Sarah sits in the treatment chair, her skin telling the story of years spent under the harsh sun, marked by deep creases and lost elasticity. Dr. Eris does not reach for standard fillers or temporary masks. Instead, she applies a targeted peptide complex, a formula engineered to trigger dormant DNA repair pathways that have been silent for decades. Every movement is calculated and precise. The procedure focuses entirely on mitochondrial density, looking past the surface volume to address the energy factories within each individual cell. We are moving beyond the surface, deep into the architecture of life. Outside these walls, the entire beauty industry is pivoting. The era of traditional serums is ending, replaced by bottles containing complex cellular signaling molecules. People are no longer interested in just covering up their imperfections. They are finally learning to feed their skin the exact instructions it needs to rebuild itself from the inside out, reclaiming a resilience that was once thought lost to time. The clock strikes 4, and the clinic is buzzing with energy. The signature longevity facial is in full progress, involving a sophisticated sequence of light therapies designed to stimulate cellular respiration at a profound level. Sarah finally looks into the mirror after the session, and the change is breathtaking. Her skin appears firmer and more radiant, not because it has been artificially stretched or pulled, but because the underlying tissue has regained its natural metabolic tempo.
I can feel it.
It feels alive again, she whispers, touching her cheek with newfound wonder. She is seeing the result of true structural resilience. The reflection staring back at her is not a mask of youth, but the genuine glow of healthy, functioning biology. The deep lines haven't just been filled. They have been addressed by the body's own revitalized repair mechanisms, proving that the skin still knows how to heal when given the right signals.
That is wonderful news.
As the sun sets, Dr. Eris records the final data point of the day. In the quiet lab, the cells continue to repair themselves, cycle after cycle, tireless and renewed. They are the living proof that the future of skincare is no longer found in chemistry alone, but is written forever in the beautiful, complex language of biology.